Here we got Pudsey going out for the big cast. That's where the big ones are. Smaller ones are inshore. Larger ones, just got to walk out there and lob it as hard as you can. Well done, Pudsey. Yeah, just on the corner there, just on the heels there. Got lawn. Let's have a look at this view here. Amazing. Some houses up there, probably worth 2 or 3 mil each, you would imagine. Currently fishing at Ricketts Point. Waves are breaking in there. There's Pudsey waiting for a bite. Another fellow fisherman up the end there. Spoke to him earlier, he's not doing too well, he reckons. There's Pudsey there again.